What's the meaning of allotropy? Allotropy. 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 Allotropy.
Allotropy refers to the property of some chemical elements to exist in multiple physical forms, known as allotropes. These allotropes have different structural arrangements of atoms, thereby exhibiting different physical and chemical properties. For example, carbon can exist as graphite or diamond, both of which have different structures and properties. Similarly, oxygen can exist as O2 or O3, which are also known as ozone. Allotropy is an important concept in chemistry and materials science, as it can impact the behavior and functionality of materials in various applications.